Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. And once again, this is another important video for you. If you're watching this YouTube channel for your first time, then please stick around because in this YouTube channel, I talk a lot about Android TVs, Android TV box, and Fire Sticks, and how to install important applications to your Android TV that is going to improve your TV experience. So if this is your first time, do not forget to subscribe so that when I create next videos, you'll be one of the first people to watch them. And if this is not your first time, I just want to say thank you all for your continuous support to this YouTube channel. I wouldn't be here without you. And that's why I make videos like this to make sure that you have lots of opportunities to improve your Android TV experience. And this video is just another one like that. So in this particular video, what I'm going to be showing you is one code that is going to give you almost everything or every application that you're searching for on your Android TV. Yeah, I know I've already given you lots of codes like this, but as I said, I love giving you many opportunities of the same thing so that if one code doesn't work for you, then a particular one is going to work for you, and this is just another opportunity. So for instance, in this case, it's not going to be an application. I'm not going to be showing you how to install a particular application to type in the code like on link or app link. I'm not going to show you to install an app store like APK Time or whatever. This is just a code, a downloader code, and once you use the code, you are good to go. So all you need in this video is the downloader application and this code. So please stick right up to the end of this video to see what I'm about to show you. And also do not forget to like and subscribe. And if you've not subscribed yet, please just hit that subscribe button and share the video for more videos like this.
Before we continue, I want to show you this TV box I'm currently using called S5 Max Slim TV box, and it's very good with 4K images and 4K videos. Also, it comes with various applications, some basic applications, and it has an app store. Now, not all applications are in the app store, so you can also add an other app store if you're interested in more applications. Here are the various applications in these app stores, and there are lots of them, and they're very nice applications. You can just go ahead and try out. So let's try out one of the applications like my VOD. It gives you videos on demand. Also, there's another application like my TV. It gives you channels that you can watch on your Sling TV box. So these are some of the applications in this TV box. This TV box has 116 GB space, and also it is very affordable. If you want to know more, check the description of this video. There is a link that is going to lead you to where you see all the features of this TV box. Now let's continue.
Now said, let's go ahead. As you already know, this is my Android TV box I'm using, and I'm using this on a Vida Hisense Smart TV. You know, on a Smart TV, you're not able to install third-party applications. That's why I'm using this Android TV box on my Smart TV to have the Android version where I can install applications. So that's it. For me to install the downloader on my app on my box, what I do is I come over to Google and I launch the browser and I go over and I search. So once I'm here, all I do is to click search. I click search and I type in the name of the application I want to download, which in this case is just downloader. Now to save time, I already have the application in my suggestion here. So I'm just going to come over here and click download the application. And as you can see on my screen, there are many options, but the first option is already what I'm looking for. So downloader by AFT News. I click on it once and this is the install button. If you have Play Store on your Android TV box, if you're using Google TV, then it's easy. Just go ahead and install from your Play Store. But if you don't like me, then you go over to this process that I've showed you, which is going through your Google and then using your Google to install the application. Then make sure you're going to install or log into your Google account on your browser. So once the application is installed, I'm just going to go ahead and open it. And once it's your first time to open it, you're going to have this. They say downloader is 100% free and relies on your donations. So if you love the downloader, please, you can contribute to help them. So this is download, and as I explained earlier, this is the only application we're going to be installing in this case. We're no longer installing any other application. But if you know how downloader works, it's simple. All you need to do is to type in a code or a website or a search term. So you can type in a URL, a search term, or a shortcode. But the best option is for you to type in a code. And just like in this video, we're going to be typing in a code. So to type in the code we're using in this case, just go over to your keyboard and go to your numbers and type in this code. So that is the code we're using, and that's all we need for today, 28907. Once you type in this code, just go ahead and click go on launch. So what this code does is that it's going to launch a web page or a download web page for various applications, and this web page is called firetvsticks.com. It's such a nice web page because it has all the applications that you need on your Fire Stick, on your Android TV, and on your Android TV box. I'm going to try my best to show you all of this. So here's how it looks like. I'm going to scroll through them. As you can see, there are lots of applications here. In fact, there are lots of them. I just want to scroll through the bottom so that you see the depth or all the applications that are here. Please, the reason I'm scrolling fast and a little blur is because you know already. So once you launch on your Android TV, you can take out your time to scroll through all of them and see what is available. And also they're all in categories. As you can see, there is home, there's Fire Stick, there's VPN, there's streaming, there's coded, and so on. Now, there's something I want to show you. If you go over here and you love the website or the URL and you don't want to type the code all the time, what you have to do is just go over to the option here, these three uh, horiz- horizontal lines, and click Add Current Page to Favorite. So, if you want to add current page to Favorite and download that, you don't have to come over all the time and type in the code. Once you come over to your downloader, what you simply do is to come down to favorites. You're going to see the URL there, and here is it. And all you can do is to launch in, and you're back here like before. So as I said, there are various categories. So I'm going to go to a category that we can easily install an application from. Let's say for instance, I want to install a browser. So here are the browser categories. And if you look at something deeply, in fact, let me go back to the top and show you something. You see this last updated July 13, 2025. This tells you that all the applications here have been updated from July 13, 2025. And this is very important. And at the moment of making this video, today is the 15th of July. So all the applications here were updated 2 days ago, and that is very, very good. So that you will always have applications up to date. So that's just something I wanted to show you. So if I go into categories, so you see there are various categories here. There is anime, there's antivirus, app stores, browser, fitness, gaming. There are lots of, just look at them. There are over 23 different categories that you want. Now, before I show you how to install an application here, please, I want to see why you are using this application or this URL to install application. Please make sure to use a VPN. Make sure to use a VPN. While you're browsing on the internet, it is very easy for a hacker to get access to your Android TV, maybe using a particular application or a particular website. So to avoid things like this, you have to use a VPN so that you stay secure on the internet. And also, a VPN can help you unlock certain limitations that you may come across using certain applications on the internet. So please make sure to use a VPN to browse. In the description of this video, I have added a recommended VPN that you can use. It's called NordVPN. So just go ahead and check it. If you love it, please go ahead and subscribe and start using it. But if it doesn't suit you, then go to the internet and search for other VPN options that you can use on your Android TV. Just make sure to use a VPN once you're browsing on this website. So that's it. Let's continue. So as I was explaining, there are many categories here. So we can go to a particular category like media players, movies, and TVs. But I just want to show you how to install an application. So I'm going to go to the App Store category, and here's it. I click App Store. So here's the App Store category. So I'm going to choose an application here and install. So I could install Unlink. We wouldn't know what Unlink is, but let me install a browser instead. So for instance, I'm going to come to TV Bro. It says it was updated. All right. The last time it was updated was 3 months ago. So to install it, what I simply do is to come over to the option that says it and I click TV Bro. So just click on it once and here's how it's going to come. So download TV Bro, move down to the page and click the download TV Bro option. So we are going to move down and let's search for the download option. Okay, so here's it. Oh, this one thing I don't like browsing on TV. So here's it. I'll just simply go over here to the download option. Here's it and click download. And the application is going to start downloading straight away. So when the application is done downloading, just go ahead and click install. And then it's going to install on your Android TV. Just give it a moment. Now it's done installing. Click done, delete the app file, and you're good to go. So this is the application. And to check if the application has been installed, just go back home. And as always, I go over to apps and you're going to realize TV Bro is here and installed. And if you found the video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share for more videos like this. Once you log into the website, once you go over to the URI, take out your time and browse it. And if you like it, please drop a comment section. If there's something you want me to do a video about, please just drop in the comment section and I'm going to do my research and create a video particularly for you. So once again, see you next time.